Hi everybody, I got a few requests to share how to do the cleaning cycle on the Breville infuser or the BES 840XL model. This is very similar to other Breville products, but so specifically I have this model. I'm going to show you how to do it on this model. So what do you need to do? One is make sure that you have enough water in the reservoir, so just fill it all the way to the top of the line. And make sure that the collecting reservoir is empty because it's going to use a lot of back flushing that are going to go into the reservoir from the line that's inside and to dispose of it. So make sure that it's empty. I'm going to do it right now. Also, make sure that you have a canister big enough to collect all the water that's going to come out of it. This one is a 700 milliliter, but and I think it fills it all the way to the brim. So make sure you have something big enough. Another thing that you need is the small filter, not the double wall, but the regular filter, because you don't want the double wall to be filled with the chemical or whatever cleaning solution that it uses, and you need the back flush gasket. So you take the portafilter, you remove whatever you have on it right now. So this is the portafilter, you put in the small one, and you put the gasket inside, just like that. Then you take one capsule of the cleaning solution and you put it in the middle, and you close the portafilter in the machine. So just make sure that the reservoir is full to the max, because this will use about 1 liter of water. Okay, so to start this procedure, make sure that the canister is right there. But to start it, you press these two and the power button simultaneously. So I start with these and then I go to the power. And hold it until the cleaning cycle starts. And to know that the cleaning cycle starts, you can see that it's blinking. And at this point, you just wait. Basically, it soaks in the entire system, and it does a few back flushes, etc. So just wait till the whole thing is done. And that's it. The cleaning cycle is done. As you can see, the portafilter is almost touching the cleaning water that it used. By the way, I wanted to show you the water that comes out of it. It's not like dirty, but it's like also not, you can see that it's not completely clean, and when I touch it, I feel that it's a little bit oily. So this is the actually purpose of the cleaning, is to remove all the oils from the machine so that it doesn't clog up the system. Now, I usually go ahead and run an empty cycle, a double shot on it, through the portafilter just to clean any solution that might have stayed in the system. So, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please thumb up if you like this video. If you didn't like the video, please let me know why. Click the subscribe button, click the notification button so you know when there's a new video coming out. Hopefully you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.